This is the backyard. You can kind of hear the wind over here. Over there, that tree is where her swing hangs. You kind of can't see, but there's two pieces of rope hanging down where her swing goes. They're hard to see through the screen and stuff, but you can barely see them there. Then I have my hammock swing in the tree over there, in between where the trunk splits. This is one of them plastic plant pots that blew over from the neighbors. I had it tucked under the trees over there, but it got loose. It's pretty horrible.